Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Tundra door panel. Start by lowering the window and disconnecting the battery for safety. Remove any visible screws near the handle and armrest. Use a trim tool to gently pry the panel edges to release clips, working from bottom to top to avoid cracking the plastic. Keep removed screws and clips organized in a small container for reassembly. Begin by removing all visible screws, including those under trim covers and inside the armrest cavity. Pry off the small bezel around the door handle to access concealed fasteners before levering the panel. Work systematically and use a magnetized screwdriver to keep screws from falling into the door cavity. Keep parts labeled or photographed so you remember each screw location when you put the panel back on. After screws are out, use a trim tool to pop the retaining clips by starting at the lower edge and working around the panel. Once clips are free, lift the panel upward to clear the window channel and set it away from the door. Before fully removing the panel, unplug any electrical connectors for switches and lights, pressing the release tabs to avoid damage. Keep connectors in the same orientation for easy reattachment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.